wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com. As you probably know, I run a wig store in the background. In fact, that's more like in the foreground, and I make this kind of content in the background. What I'm really trying to paint the picture of is that I can film a lot of content in my pursuit of social media wig glory, and then get a little ahead of myself and not have time to edit them. Recently, I recovered a lot of material that I thought you might like to see. And I thought, well, hey, how about we just make this a thing where I release material from the vaults until I run out of stuff. Today's installation was shot in February of 2019. This is Atara Extra Long from Freeda. Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a mini review of an extra long wig. In fact, this is the Atara Extra Long by Freeda, and the color on this is 14-8. This is definitely glam, luxe, boob hugging, gorgeous princess mermaid hair. I love really long human hair wigs, particularly the ones that feel like this one does. I can't stop petting it because it just feels so nice. It feels really nice to the touch. You can see it's got beautiful layering built in, especially right here. I mean, the first layer is below my clavicle though, so don't get it twisted. It doesn't have any face framing layers. You can have someone cut it for you to give it that face framing texture. You can also have Freeda customize the wig for you if you're committed to buying it. They won't let you customize it and then send it back. But if this is an investment piece for you and you want it just so, the folks at Freeda can make it that way for you. All Freeda caps are made exactly the same. They're going to be closed because these are Jewish shadels, which means that your head's supposed to be completely covered by opaque material, because this is also a wig that doubles as a religious head covering. You have a double drawn French monofilament top that in itself has an additional layer of mesh underneath it. So what that means is that here, if I show you the top portion of this wig, you can see that it looks like natural scalp. That's because there is a layer of very pale nude colored silk chiffon that lies on the top layer, followed by the Swiss lace that the hair is threaded into, and underneath that you actually have this mesh. So if you think of it a little bit like a sandwich, where the Swiss lace where all the knots live, that's the filler. Boom, now you kind of get the concept. So back here we have wefts that are also covered in this opaque mesh material. We have ear tabs that are also coated with that mesh. They have pressure sensitive clips added. There is an extended nape that has a hook adjuster in the back. If the hooks get on your nerves because they get all loosey-goosey, please feel free to take a single stitch to stitch those puppies in place, and then you won't have to worry about them going while you're wearing your hair. You'll also see that each Freeda wig is going to have its very special serial code, and it'll tell you it's made in the Ukraine. These do not come with a lace front by default, but they do come with pressure sensitive clips here on each ear tab, as well as a flex comb in the front. Freeda can add more of these features or can take them off for you before they ship your wig. They can also add a lace front, but they want you to pick your wig before they dedicate adding a lace front to it. And you might be like, why on earth do they make such high-end wigs but then not put a lace front on it? They will add a lace front, but just keep in mind, these wigs are made to wear for years. They're made to last you a very long time. And so if you add a lace front, that lace front may need to be replaced. It will not last as long as the rest of the wig will, even if you take really good care of it. That's why these wigs don't come with lace fronts by default, because they're made to be worn for a very long period of time, and lace fronts just don't last that long. They fray, the hair falls out, they need to get a little worked on once in a while. I hope that's all getting in the shot. I'm trying to hug the wall as much as possible because I don't have a whole bunch of space to work with in here. Oh, she's so beautiful that I didn't want to not show you the full length of this. And I mean, clearly boob hugging. I'm 5'8", so if you're a slightly shorter gal, this is going to be a lot of hair. And she's got a substantial ponytail. Substantial ponytail. That is a lot of hair. But for the right kind of person, that is that much more to play with, that much more to braid, that much more to curl, that much more to just have fun with. So I highly recommend human hair, particularly this gorgeous virgin human hair, if you're the sort of person who really wants that long hair fantasy, but does not want to deal with the tangles and clumping and all the crazy headaches that come with synthetic wigs when they're this long, especially heat-friendly synthetics. They are so hard to work with when you get to, about this length or longer. Now, that's not to say that this isn't going to tangle. It will tangle, all long hair tangles, but you're going to have a much easier time dealing with the tangling on a wig like this with beautiful intact cuticles, particularly if you take care of it, than you will on any comparable synthetic. There really is no comparison. The hair, just look at how beautiful and shiny this is. Like, I can't even help myself. I just want to dance like I'm at Woodstock or something with this thing on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. We bring you a carefully curated collection of wigs and toppers. So if you're into shopping a site that doesn't just list everything, but lists only the best of the best, that's what you can find in my store. That's where you'll find these Freedas. Beautiful selection, beautiful colors, and you can often save a little bit of money by shopping with us as opposed to shopping directly from Freeda themselves. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and have a great night. Bye-bye.